What is up? So, today we're working on the 93.
Yeah.
Right? So we're in the process of rebuilding the engine right now. If you've seen our last video, me and Little B took the engine apart, and we are trying to get parts for it and gaskets and stuff like that right now. Doing a bunch of measuring and everything else on everything. And in the meantime, we decided to paint this.
Yeah.
So today we're going to start for just a little bit, getting everything ready to start prepping for a paint job, and talk about a couple of little odds and ends that we need to fix yet. So hang on a minute.
We have to take these stickers off, and there's also a little bit of rust right here that we need to fix. These two spots of rust need fixed. So we have to grind them and repaint them, and then we will patch them with the patch.
Very good.
This isn't going to be black. We're going to change it the color that the entire truck's going to be.
Okay.
And this isn't going to be like this. This is going to be black, or mostly these parts.
There you go. Then we'll clean the rest of that up, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have to do a lot of masking so we can paint the inside of the engine bay. Oh my God. We're also going to paint these wheels. This is all going to be the same color as the truck, and the rest of it's going to be black.
Awesome.
We're going to get rid of this old granny bumper. We're going to tint out the lights.
Very good. So there's one more major thing that we're going to do to this truck. Wasn't really planning on it at all. In fact, I wasn't planning on most of this stuff besides rebuilding the engine. But when an opportunity presents itself, and it's going to be cool, why not do it, you know? So this is what we got.
Airbags, oh yeah!
Yeah, we ended up getting a full bag kit. We got the valves, the electronic valves,
And
4 links, mounts, and bags, and then a little switch box along with
Yeah.
it. So, yeah.
I'm not
So
gonna make this thing dance.
we're not. Brian wants to make it dance with that switch box, but
Yeah.
I don't really think that we should. So.
I want to. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video where we will be prepping it for painting.
That's right. We're excited.
Yeah!
So, no, we haven't told you what color it's going to be yet. But you will find out very, very soon. So, maybe in the next video. Maybe not. Maybe we'll have to wait until we paint it.
Yeah!
So, thanks for watching, guys. Just like Brian said, that's it for this video. And next video, we're going to start prepping on it and getting it ready. So, yeah, right on.
Toyota.
We'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks.
What?